Here I have LENOVO A3500 and let me show you how to enter the factory mode test on the following device. So first of all, let's start by holding a power key. Let's choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards let's use the following combination of keys: the power key and the volume up. So let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds, keep holding both keys and release them as soon as Lenovo logo pops up on the screen. Excellent. As you can see, the Lenovo recovery mode Lenovo factory mode just pops up on the screen. The whole menu is in Chinese. You can translate the following menu. You can accomplish here the auto test, manual test, item test. You can also accomplish here clear eMMC, so the hard reset operation. You can navigate here by using volume down and press power key to confirm options. If you would like to quit this mode, let's highlight the last option and let's press power key to confirm it. Now the device is restarting and rebooting into a normal mode. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Excellent. The normal mode just pops up. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.